Right, back with my second video for this build. As you can see, I've stripped the windshield out and put some tape down because this bitumen is really fucking annoying. It's everywhere. The only way that I figured out how to get it off cleanly with what I've got at home is just using like WD-40 or CRC. I'm just spraying it on there and wiping it down with rags. It's really fucking annoying. So this is the rust. I'm gonna have to cut. You can see I've lined out there. This is where I'm gonna have to cut it all out. It's gonna be a big patch. Well, for my skill set anyway, it's gonna be a big patch. Yeah, taking door cards off, but basically pretty much everything I need to get of the interior is out here. Except for the dash. Roof lining's out. That came out fairly easily compared to the other one that I did before. But yeah, and also that's another point. As you can see, I always put the screws back where I found them so that I don't run into issues later of trying to figure out where the screws go. I know you can label them and put them in little containers with labels and stuff, but I think this method is a lot easier. Just putting things back on the, if you have the option to anyway, putting screws back into the holes on the body that they came from. Yeah, so door cards all stripped out. I'm gonna have to get these doors off at some point soon. Wow, my legs look fucking stunning. And yeah, let's go up to the back here. This is strange too because I recorded this video a long time ago on my flatmate's phone and I couldn't get the video off, so this is actually like from weeks ago. This is my little workshop. That's all the interior that I've got there, which is now currently sitting in storage at another house until it goes to its new owner, hopefully this weekend or next weekend. Yeah, all the door cards, they all came out pretty mint. Those carpets are fantastic. Let's see where we're going now. Here we go. I think this is, I've stored all the rest of the interior parts in the boot here, which made sense to me for saving space. That's the roof lining there that came out. Again, labeling everything for the new owners of the interior so that you don't have to fumble around trying to get the right ones. So I've labeled all this stuff for them. And here I got all the seat belts. Because yeah, as I think I mentioned in the other video, my interior that's going in is going to be completely red. So yeah, now this is one thing I've had to take out of this car because this is the New Zealand spec one, and it's for these back doors here. There's this little locking thing. I think I might have mentioned it in the first video. But yeah, the locking mechanism for the back doors apparently didn't come on the EX trim of the one from overseas that I got. So here's the one it came with just the handbrake hole in it, and the one that I have, I'm gonna have to recolor it, probably like get some kind of spray paint, which I've done before with interiors, repainted interiors. There's a special paint that you can get. There's that red interior that's gonna go in, that's been sitting there for over a year now. Had it in the container. There's my little shitty gasless welder that I'm using. Not fantastic, but still gasless and runs on 10 amp, so I can run it out of the wall of my little residential property. And yeah, next to come out, dashboard, which now that I'm actually recording this video and uploading it, I've actually already got the dash out, so I'll do that in another video. But yeah, make sure you come and check out the next video, which I'll also try and knock out this afternoon and upload them around the same time, because a lot on this car has changed. So catch you soon.